Hello everybody, welcome to the Buffalo Brotherhood. Happy Friday to you all. I am Ryan and this is Fishing Planet and we are catching fish, getting XP, using some light tackle, trying to gain some levels. Our goal is to get to level 22 here in the next couple of weeks. We are fishing in North Carolina. Wednesday's video was pretty successful. I was very happy with the amount of fish that we caught on Wednesday. Looks like I'm hung up on something right now. I gotta get up over wherever it is and get it in the water. I'm so glad you guys will be with us. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have a great big plan for the weekend. If I've done my calculations correctly, I am sleeping right now in reality. Getting ready on a big family vacation. Pretty excited about it. First one we've ever really had. We've gone to we've gone camping before for just a day or two. Actually, I don't know that we have gone since my daughter, since Zoe's been born, but been camping. We've done like Great Wolf Lodge before. We've gone down to like some state parks and stayed for a few days, but this is the first time we've been gone for a while. And so you kind of have like this is like this whole situation, you leaving, and then we have a friend of ours that'll be staying at our house to pick up the mail and house sitting, I guess is a good way to put it. So you clean up your house, make your house nice and fancy, so it can be entertained by a late 20s-year-old guy who's kind enough to watch your stuff for you. But just being gone and away, and it's kind of exciting. But anywho, yeah. Beautiful birds chirping. This is a continuation from Wednesday's video. Like, I'm not playing it back to back, but it's within the 24-hour period so that I can still continue to use the license. And that's my plan. Is I'll be recording a lot of these videos today in an attempt to sort of fill up the backlog. I think we have to have 9 of these, I think, to cover for the time that I'm gone, which is fun. I mean, it definitely fits the qualification of play when you can stay and sort of make sure that you're earning your money and so forth. It's just definitely going to run out of things to talk about, I think. Now, what I've done is I did a little bit of a what you want to call it, like some brainstorming sort of thing, some different topics and so forth we could get into. But hopefully the plan is that we catch fish and we just talk about the fish we catch. Sort of this state of the game sort of discussion is definitely something we can have. I don't know. Like, oh, there's a fish. I was hoping boats would be out by June. Good, got a crappie. I'll take it. I was hoping boats would be out by June. It doesn't seem like there's going to be any indication that that's going to happen in the June patch. But that's okay. You know what? That's all right. I still hope that they rework the economy. I can't stress that enough. I feel like they've kind of made it a little bit. I'd love to see the statistics. I wonder if I could find that through Steam. Probably could, but not right now while we're fishing. To see how like player base has changed. The problem is they keep adding new stuff. So new people show up, they don't know any different because they didn't play it before. Oh, I just casted it. Oh, I'm glitched. I'm glitched. I can't open a menu because my rod is casted. Casted? What is going on with me? Oh no. Okay, so to be honest, what are we 60 some odd episodes in? This is the first time we've had like a game episode restarting glitch. I'd love to be able to like glitch into the water though. Come on. Come on. Okay. So let's see here. Alt tab. Let's make sure the splash is selected, which it is. Okay. Let's all control delete out of here. Task manager. Fishing planet in task. There we go. We'll reboot the game. We'll try again. Hey, so it's nice to see that though. I don't know if devs are still collecting information on the game crashed. There we go. Let's get it restarted. I don't know if game devs are looking for bugs and so forth like that, but here's a video proof for some bugs right there. If they need to be reported, I don't know how that happened. They're basically, there should be a line of code in there where it's like, if no bait, whatever, then allow us to go back to menu, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's try here. Maybe we'll catch a catfish. Let's catch a catfish real quick, and then we'll get started. We'll get some more. I like to catch those big old flatheads again. Now that we've got a plan here. Where was it at? Over here, right? Yeah, right here. Down here. Down here. Hook number 2. We don't get the experience that we get the otherwise, but this is the right spot, right? I think so. We'll see. We'll see. Catching fish. Check my email. Looks like a friend of mine got hacked. They can send me all kinds of weird messages. It happens, I guess. Let's hope they know. Maybe I'm not in the right spot. Maybe it feels like I should be closer to the bridge. Maybe that guy's in the right spot. Here, we'll run down there. So we will. It's always fun, right? Ah, yeah. See, like this looks better. It's the same rock, it's just a different direction. Okay, and then we're going to let it float down. Right? Love that morning dove sound. Love that morning dove sound. Alright, so, wow, that's a loud bird. Come on, pop up straight, please. More towards the rock, maybe? I'm trying to find it. Okay, let's raise it up just a little bit. Boop. There it goes. Okay. That feels more like it. Probably could use cut bait rather than minnows, but minnows is what I've got. We've caught one off minnows before, so I caught 3 in a row. Nibbling. Nibbling. See, like that. That to me is a catfish bite right there. There it is. Oh, but it's not. It's a crappie bite. Let's see. Think that's good? Think that'd be good for catfish? Probably. I'm looking for the ripples. Ooh, a 3.7 pound trophy largemouth bass. That's pretty good. That's fun. There we go. This is a catfish. It's a big one. Come on. Look at that guy. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, I wish he wouldn't have pulled up so quick. Oh, wow. 15 pounds. Keep him. Back out there. Stand up tall. Let's see. I guess I should pull my list up here and see what we want to talk about today. But at this point, I just want to catch more catfish. Okay, so this is the thing. I've never really bobber fished a bunch in my life, other than like bee moth, looking for bluegill with the kids. Do a lot of like when we catfish, we'll put like chicken livers on a big like, number 2 hook or number 4 hook or something, and we'll cast it out. Oh, that's not a catfish. That's not a catfish. Maybe it is. Nope, it's a smallmouth bass, which I will also take. Looking for the ripple. There it is. Never really catfished with a bobber like this, other than one time I've talked about it before with a friend of mine in high school and so forth. But this right here makes me want to. Like if I thought that I could catch, I mean I wade a lot of rivers and things like that, and I fished a lot in the reservoir. But if I thought that I could catch a 16-pound catfish out of a fish that I go out of a lake or something that I go swimming in, or a river that I go swimming in, like that would change my perspective on wading through rivers. But obviously I'm not afraid of it, but just the fact that something like that could be there is insane to me. So, I mean, I don't know where I'm going with this. I guess, do you got, like, bass fishing is our bread and butter in my house. It's what we do. It's what we've done. It's their smallmouth. Do you do a lot of catfishing? If so, where? And what's the biggest size catfish that you get? Like, do you use dough balls? Oh, there's something. What's that? Is there a smallmouth? No. It didn't pop up unless that's him right there. No. His name didn't pop up. Maybe because he's still looking at it? Try to bring it a little closer, maybe? No, his bobber's back out there. That's weird. His name never came up. That's bizarre. Yeah, I don't... Like, I've always said I want to catch I want to catch like a 5 pound largemouth bass. Like I don't think I've ever caught a 5 pounder. I mean I've caught decent sized fish before, but I don't think I've ever caught like a true like 5 pound bass. A lot of 3 pounders, you know, few 4 pounders, maybe one or two. But up here in the northern part of the U.S., they just, I mean, they're dormant half of a season. Half your season they don't eat; they're dormant. The other half of the season they're trying to you know lay eggs and build nests, and there's not a lot of time of the year where they're not burning as much as they do. So the fish up here, they don't get super big like what I see in the South or Kentucky or Tennessee or reelfoot or things like that. Like it just doesn't happen. So you know, seeing how I fished most of my life, and you know 1,000 times more up here. That's just the way that it works. So there's a flathead, 20 pounder. Let's ask. I got caps lock on. That's annoying. Oh, he's saying, why didn't you guys tell me? It'll be small. It'll be medium cut bait. I don't have a medium cut bait. It's always medium cut bait. Maybe. I don't know. 40 pounds of fish, though. That's pretty good so far. Not all of it's catfish. He's not going to answer me. That's okay. I'm pretty satisfied with what we're at. We could use something else, I guess, but here we go. Got some action. Long nose gar. Told you. Grabbing my crawfish. Keep. Let's see if you can buy cut bait here. I don't think you can, but we'll see. You can buy small. What's he mean by blood, I wonder? I've never caught a gar before. I'd love to catch a gar too. Maybe we should have read and seen what gar will bite. Because if it's minnows, then we'll go back to minnows. Just deal with the crappie. Oh. I don't know why that ripple thought. I don't know why in my mind I was like, there's a ripple. We're going to get a fish. Of course we didn't. That's okay. If I see him get another gar, I'm going to ask him because I would love to try to catch a gar. Alright, so is it too loud? It might be too loud. I like the ambient noise better than the silence, but I don't want to blow your eardrums out. I want to make sure you hear me, as I am the most important part. I'm joking. I guess the video game probably is the most important part. That's what people are coming to see, the video game. Oh, come on. Come on, give me a big cat. Whoa, did you see that guy teleport? That was crazy. Strike was done too early. Let's go back to the meaners. Let's go back to the minnows. Actually, let's look. Fish species. Let's look at the gar. Gar. What's gar eat? Shad, crankbait, medium, large minnows, small minnows. This is small minnows. Let's do small minnows. Escape. Z. Small minnows. I didn't see it change. Okay, back to small minnow. Alright, there it's changing. Okay. Let's come around the tree to right here. There we go. See, I'm trying to decide if this is them simulating the fact that you have a minnow on, because your line does move a whole lot more when you have a minnow on it than when you don't. Small minnow. Sure, we'll take it. All right, come on, one more. Let's get a big cat. Let's get a big cat here. As I was saying, when you have a minnow on, you hook it through the back like that. Because you want it to still be living. Not to sound cruel, but you want it to still be moving. So I'm trying to figure out if the fact that if something's down there playing with my bait and that's why it's moving like that, or if it's moving like that because in reality, when you're fishing with minnows, they do move like that because a minnow is swimming around, often sideways or sort of crooked or whatever. And that's what you want. You want the bait to look like a wounded fish to trigger the predatory instincts of the fish you're trying to catch. I don't know if that's again. See how it's moving right now? Like I don't know if that's that trying to simulate that, or if it's trying to tell me that there's something playing with my bait. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments down below because it's kind of driving me nuts. It's got to be the minnow because I don't remember it moving like that when I was just using the whatever I was just using. What was I just using? I don't remember. Oh, the cutfish, the crawfish cut. unless that's the current. Doesn't feel like the current, but it could be. See, it felt like it just like went deeper. Oh, see, now it's coming back. And I've set the hook at this time, and it's not worked. Because obviously that's what I'd want to do, is set the hook when the bait's moving like that. Decent sized crappie. Okay. With that, I think we're going to call it a day. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. Make sure you like the video if you like the video, if you want to see more. Hit that subscribe button if you want to become a member of the lodge, and be notified when these videos come live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. And leave me a comment down below if you have any catfishing stories to tell me. Thank you guys so much for all you guys that have subscribed lately. I really appreciate it. It's awesome to see our community growing, and it's awesome to see the Buffalo Brotherhood continuing to evolve into its next evolution there. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.